Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another unboxing video. Today we're taking a look at the Daily Crystal Inspiration by Heather Askinosie. I think that's how you pronounce it, Askinosie. A 52 card oracle deck for finding health, wealth, and balance. This is published by Hay House and it retails for $21.99. It says, evaluate your everyday life by harnessing the deep transformational power of crystals. This easy-to-use 52-card oracle deck makes the wisdom of crystals convenient and accessible, even when you don't have any physical stones on hand. Just pick a card and trust your soul's intuition to unlock the clarity you're craving, whether it's about a relationship, finances, or work. Stunning photography of Mother Earth's most energy-filled crystals adorn each card. And in the guidebook, Energy Muse co-founder and Crystal Muse and Crystal 365 author Heather Askinosie offers instructions for different types of readings. She also describes the energetic properties of each crystal and gives affirmations and crystal actions to tap into a stone's power today. Alrighty. And cover design is by Julie Davison, and it is a typical oracle box. So let's take it and look inside. Ooh, and when you open your heart and trust yourself, the universe will always guide you in the right direction. Cute. I love little surprises like that. All right. So let's go ahead. We kind of figured out what this deck is all about, so we'll read the guidebook in a minute. Let's start with the cards. So, ooh, look at the back. Ooh, that is so pretty. Okay, so far loving it. And then here we go. Agate. Okay, that's cool. So it gives you a little bit about what this would mean. So it's the stone and then a little blurb about it. The cards aren't too thin. They're like a really good thickness. They are glossy. Keep that in mind. These are absolutely stunning. So I really do like that they have a little blurb. That is so pretty. They feel really good in your hand. I'm sure they're going to shuffle really nicely. They're not sticking together too crazily. The pictures are absolutely gorgeous. It's a pretty positive deck so far. Do any of you own this? I would love to know if you've used it and how you enjoy it, or if you don't enjoy it. That's gorgeous. Some of the cards, though, look like they're a little messed up. Do you see those little flakes? Okay. I'm not mad at it, just saying. Seems like that would be like a manufacturing issue. So this would be a great deck if you want to get into learning about crystals and learning about what they're used for. So far, it doesn't seem to be very overwhelming, but we'll get into the guidebook and see how one of the card reads, and then that way we'll see whether or not it's good for learning as well as divination. This would be really great for your daily pull. If you do a daily meditation, combine this with your yoga. This would be really good to set the tone for your day or to focus on something for the day. It is really stunning. I'm kind of going a little bit fast because they are just photographs, but I do want to see if there are any imperfections or things going on with the deck. I think there was only one, maybe two cards with the little weird stuff on it, but For the most part, these are just the crystals, but there's some crystals in here that not every like deck that I've seen have, which is fantastic. And I like that it's just the crystal and a little bit about it, because then if you're doing a meditation or if you just want to focus on what the energy is meaning, it would be a very fantastic way to do so, because it's so minimalistic. You know, it's not over the top with crazy backgrounds as well. So you really get to focus on just that crystal and what it's about. I love it. But we'll see if I speak too soon with the guidebook. It's very positive. Very, very positive deck. It's pretty. Get out of your own way. Man, do I need to hear that a million times a day. Is this the last one? I think it is. Live in the now. All right. I love, love, love the background on this. Isn't that gorgeous? Oh. Okay, so let's see how it shuffles. No complaints. The cards are going back to their original flatness. They're not sticking together. That's great. And moving them through your hand like this is completely fine too. All right, let's see. Is there one that's going to pop out that we're going to look at today? That one did. That one wanted to pop out. All right. Find your calm. Wow. That I think I need as well. All right. Blue lace agate. So let's go ahead and real fast look through this little book and see what is going on. We have how to work with it and then the meanings. So let's see. Receiving. Okay. When I do a reading, I lay an assortment of crystals on the table and ask my client to select the ones they feel most attracted to based on color, shape, and size. I then use their intuitive selection to determine what their soul is calling for. Okay. Let's see. There we go. Okay, how to do a crystal reading. When you first get any, okay, you need to activate. Okay, so basically it's like any other oracle deck. There's a daily message, monthly message, crystal card reading. Okay, so yeah, just like any other oracle deck. All right, so let's find, now that I've kind of wasted some time, let's find the blue lace agate. That's on page 21. And see how it's going to read in the guidebook here. All right, find your calm. Just relax. The world is filled with stress and frenetic activity. It can be hard to find calm in the storm, but when all else fails, just breathe. Stay aware of the signs of rising stress or anxiety that are unique to you. You can nip them in the bud. When you are feeling overwhelmed, take a break and a breath. Do whatever your mind and body need in order to restore a sense of calm. Breath work and meditation can bring you back to your natural state of well-being. There is power in stillness and quiet. Tap into that and don't forget to breathe. So core questions, okay? When are you most relaxed? How can you de-escalate feelings of stress or anxiety? And what brings you back to calmness? And then the crystal action says for the affirm or affirmation, I show up for life, calm and present. Today, when you feel stress coming on, clench your fists up in a ball, inhale deeply, and then release both your breath and your fists. Repeat this 3 times. That's really cool. All right, so it gives you something to do that's related to the crystal. That's fantastic. So I think that is perfect. I think this deck is fantastic. I think it definitely will help with your daily meditations. I think it will help you learning about the crystals a little bit more. This is definitely inspirational as far as it gives you an affirmation and an action to coincide with that. It's beautifully done. It's absolutely stunning. The quality of the deck is great. I think, you're in for a treat if you are into crystals or want to learn about them. I think this is a perfect deck to do so. You're going to start learning the energies of each crystal here pretty quickly. So yeah, some of them are a little, like it looks like dirt, but it feels like it's been printed on. So, I mean, maybe it's just my batch. I'm not complaining about it. It doesn't bother me that much. Some of them, yeah, are a little, but just throwing that out there for information's sake. This is a flip through. I just want to make sure that, you are seeing what I'm seeing and, that sort of a thing. So anyway, I want to know what you think. I want to know if you think this is worth the retail price. I want to know if you own this, if this is on your list. Are you excited about this deck? This is a fairly new release, so I'm not sure exactly when it came out, but I know it was within the last month, I believe. So I'm excited to start using these. I'm definitely going to pull for a daily meditation because apparently that card is spot on with the fact that I need to stay calm. So anyway, thank you so much. Leave me a comment down below if you are enjoying this deck, if you own this deck, and all of the things that you think about this deck. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell on your way out of the video here. And with that, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.